guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Armand if you are new on this channel, and today I go to see if they open the restaurant Hollywood or the bar restaurant, the old Hollywood. Let's see how it's looking, how you go there. Maybe for people who don't know and they want to go there from here, from the playground, just to go down the hill. Let's see, I hope it's open, because maybe it's too early for a restaurant to open now. If not, I will come in the afternoon or a little bit later to see. I think it's open. Let's see. Here on the left we have a Chinese restaurant. No, I think it's closed because I see the little red string. Yeah, it's closed. I don't know what time they open. Maybe we'll see an hour. Yeah, I think it's open just in the night. Yeah, it's closed. I don't know who posted yesterday a picture. No, look. From 12 till 24 is open. Okay guys, I'm going back to Hollywood. It's 7 and 4 minutes. Let's see if it's open, because in the day at 12 wasn't open. Let's see now if it's open, to try to eat something to make a proper review. Look, here they have out the prices, or they don't have prices yet. Okay, let's go in the other side. It's open, but it's nobody in. Let's see. Okay guys, we arrived here to Hollywood. Let's go inside to try to get the table. I see people around. I mean from the workers, because still just they open. I get a table outside and I will order some food and a drink. I will get a Coca-Cola and some meat. Let's see, because I know they have some steak and stuff. What I see in the menu before when I was talking with the owner, and is looking amazing. The pictures in the menu, they look amazing. I will show you a little bit the menu for the drinks. Like this, they have a lot of drinks, a lot of cocktails, I think. Let's see how it's looking. Here you have all the prices with the menu. I think you need to stop to see how it's going. This is the menu for the drinks. It's looking like that. Just to stop the video guys, and just to you check the prices or what you like to drink. Let's go the menu for the food, and look how cool is looking the menu for the food guys. They have in English, German and Spanish. Look at that. And it's not looking so expensive, huh? They have also pizza, pasta, fish, but the steak is looking quite brilliant. Look at that. They have burgers too, pasta. If the burger is looking like in that image, in that picture, is looking amazing, like super nice. And look at this steak. I think I will order a steak, because I love the meat, and if it's proper made. And after the end of the video, we let's see, we give it some points for 1 to 10, because I was trying a lot of places in Cala, and how this one is new, I will tell you exactly if it's good or not, like an honest review. I don't like to do reviews, to say here is like that. No, I will say exactly yes or not. with any chance. Okay, we order right now and I'm coming back. And here just I was looking what I want and I order a beef steak. It's coming with jack potato and a big salad and of course a Coca-Cola. Okay guys, I get a beef steak. Let's see how it's looking. It's coming with salad and potatoes. Let's see how it's looking. The location is quite nice. It's exactly close to Cala, how you go down the stairs, close to Fontanera. I'll show you after also inside how it's looking. Let's see how it's tasting the food. And the place is looking like this. The little terrace from the side, and here you have the big terrace. The terrace is huge, guys. You have a lot of space. It's looking quite amazing. Okay guys, and just the food is arriving right now and it's looking brilliant. Look at the salad, and I like the way how they put it. You know, they don't bring it like on a boring plate. They have this little I don't know how to say, like piece of something. I put a little bit salt. Wait, it's stuck. A little bit salt, a little bit of paper, and of course let's see, oil and everything what we need for the salad. It's looking super nice. I can't wait to try the taste, because the meat is looking brilliant. I don't know how they made it, but believe me guys, it's wow. I will show you also from the other side right now to see how it's looking. Let's change. Okay, we changed the camera and it's looking like this. Meat, jack potato, this amazing sauce. The salad is perfect. Now let's try to see how it's tasting. Okay guys, on this one I need to do voiceover because it's a lot of music. I want to say the food is brilliant. For the price what you pay is amazing, and the meat is really good made. Inside is not the food, the meat, the steak is soft, you know, it's not too hard, not too chewy. Is perfect. The jack potato is perfect, almost perfect. What is missing, a little bit butter. If they put a little bit butter in the middle, was 10 of 10, but like this is 9.99. I put a little bit speed on the video because it was a long eating and I don't want to try to get you boring. I put a little bit sauce around. Okay, let's keep going eating. Okay guys, this was the food. Just I finished. I'm full. From 1 to 10 I give it 10 plus, 20 plus. The jack potato with the steak and the sauce is perfect combination. They are tasting amazing together. I recommend you, if you come in Calador, just have a try. Let's see how it's inside. This is the bar. I don't know how it looked before. I went just once in 2019, but I don't remember too much because I went inside after a party. Here they was doing karaoke and stuff. They renovate a bit inside. They put some pictures on the walls and it's looking quite cool. And I think it's time to go. This was the review, guys. If you like to support me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell. Like this, you know when I post a new video. And don't forget to share with your friends. And if you come in Cala, just have a try. This was the video of today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Don't forget to like, comment.